Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create motivational reels for Instagram with 11 Labs. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this using Canva and 11 Labs right now. So you can come here, click on voices, and then we'll go to the library and search for a motivation voice, basically a deep voice. Okay, there's a lot of deep voices here available in the public library. So let's go and search deep. And let's find a middle-aged male, English-speaking voice. Let's see this one. Oh, we'll do this. Let's do David. Let's see.
The winds of the lands between whisper of your deeds, tarnished.
That is good. That is good. Let's listen to this one.
The rain falls gently.
Not really. Not really. I guess the first one was not. Let's see this. Let's see this.
Step into the fire of storytelling.
Okay, that was nice. Okay, I'll do the first one though. We'll stick with David.
The winds of the lands between whisper of your deeds.
Okay, first add this to your voices, and then you can go ahead and use it. So click on use voice. Now here, you will see the text. So I can come double click on this, copy the text. Now, when David shows up to be used as a voice, I'll paste this text right here, right? Clear all this, paste this one. Can make this more stable. About 75%, actually 50% is good since it's just a short piece of text. And then since here we're using someone else's voice, you want to go ahead and leave this to about 30%, right? Since it's someone else's voice, it'll sound much better like this. I can go ahead and generate this, leave everything as you found it. So let's get
Overthinking will destroy your happiness.
There we go. That sounds really nice. So go ahead and download that. Okay, now you come back here. Take this audio clip. Upload this to Canva. As you can see, now it will start uploading. And then I'll take this clip and paste it right under here. Right? So let's go ahead and take the audio clip. I'll drag it to the first part. We'll leave the music as it is. So let's start from here.
Overthinking will destroy your happiness.
Let's go ahead and reduce the sound of this music. Volume is too high. Let's go ahead and make sure the volume of this is higher. Let's go ahead and look into that again. Let's see.
Overthinking will destroy your happiness.
Now you can go ahead and reduce the length of this to match the audio clip. About 1.9 seconds. Now let's go ahead and listen to that again, right?
Overthinking will destroy your happiness.
Now here, we want to add another audio clip. So you repeat the same process. You take the text, okay? Double click, copy the text, let's generate a new one. Click on generate speech. Whatever's generated, you're going to go ahead and download that. And then repeat the same process again. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.